Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll show you how to book a flight ticket online via CheapOair. In July-August 2019, I visited Melbourne, Australia, and booked my flight tickets via CheapOair. You can feel free to check my CheapOair review. So to start, go to the CheapOair website. You'll find the link in the description section. You'll have to register to open an account. You can use social media for a one-click sign-in, or use an email address, and that's what I'm going to do, and then click Next. You may see a verification screen similar to this one to confirm that you're not a bot. Next, enter your first and last name, choose a password, and then click Register. You may receive a promo code for a discount. Make sure to note it down. And now you're ready to start booking a flight. First, choose a type of trip. In my case, it's a round trip. Next, enter the details of your origin and destination. In my case, it's Toronto, Canada to Melbourne, Australia. Pick a departure and return dates. Choose the number of passengers and class. Finally, click the Search Now button. It will list down several search results. You can scroll up and change the dates if you need to, and then click the Search button. It will update the search results accordingly. Let me go back to my original dates and click Search. Here are the new search results. So I've decided to go with this one, even though the dates are a bit different. Finally, click Select. Once you're happy with the dates and price, it'll bring you to this page. Scroll down and enter your traveler details like name and date of birth. Down below, you can choose Travel Protection. I'll choose No because I don't need it. Scroll down. You can choose Travel Assist Classic and Flexible Ticket if you wish. I'm going to skip all of this. You can also upgrade your support package. I'll skip this as well. Here you enter your promo or discount code. And next you need to enter your credit card details, your credit card billing address, and contact information. Finally, scroll down and click the Book button. Let it finish processing the transaction. You'll get a confirmation. And you may see this recommendation to add travel protection. I'll skip it. Let it finish processing again. And finally, you'll get a confirmation. You can click this button to go to the confirmation page. You'll see this pop up. Click on Keep these dates and Continue. And this is the itinerary. You'll also get an email confirmation with the itinerary. Let me go back to the confirmation page. Make sure to click this link for important information and some advice for travelers. You may also want to check if you need to pay baggage fees. My ticket included 2 checked-in bags and a carry-on. Going back to the confirmation page, you can also click the second link to confirm the spelling of your name. It should be the same as the one on your passport. If you scroll back up, you can also click these buttons to choose your seats in advance, as well as place advanced meal requests. But that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to check my CheapOair review. And if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.